So listen, I think around 7, 8 o'clock, this one here started saying, got the poop, I got the poop, I got the poop. And I'm like, no. So anyways, long story short, I ended up overdrafting my account. I've been trying to get a hotel because after trying to figure out what's going to happen with the shelter, the lady was like, oh, it's going to take time. It's going to take time, you know, so just be patient. And I'm like, oh my God. And then the lady that I met at Publix, you know, she was trying, but nothing came through. So here we are, continuing to overdraft. I have a block that I have to work in the next 30 minutes. I'm making the kids macaroni for breakfast. School is today, but because I spent the entire day yesterday in the car, I'm not even prepared to take them. So I was able to overdraft my account like $700. $700 to stay here until Saturday. Saturday will be our last day here. And so that'll give me time to, like, you know, take them to school on time and stuff like that. So tomorrow is when I'll start taking them to school. But let me hurry up, get them up, and get us out of here so I can make this money to clear this overdraft, okay? We got to bring that number down. I do get child support tomorrow, thankfully. It's $116. I'm beyond grateful, okay? So that's gonna like take it down to like 6 something. If I get hit with the overdraft fee before then, you know, it'll be plus 36 minus 116. But you know, every little helps. Let me go deliver these packages so I can make this money and get this negative down. This is our third hotel, okay? Hotel number 3. I like the hotel number 2. It was really nice and cheap too. Look at all these goddamn packages. They got me. I don't know how this one gonna fit, boy. Let's see. Let's see if I can make it happen, boy. I'm out of breath. So the thing about doing Amazon Flex is that you gotta provide your own gas. It's coming out of what you make. So I ain't make it yet. So I gotta see. I'm gonna take my other card. So I have one card that I overdraft the gas, which is my business card, and then I have my personal card that I overdraft for, like, you know, the hotel expense. So fingers crossed that we can get some gas. We got gas. We got gas. We got gas. Worth that overdraft fee. Got to be worth it. Boo boo. What number I'm on? 5?
5, yeah.
Package number 5, and it's already chaos. Oh my God. Wait.
Sorry.
So I have the kids passing me the packages that I'm taking out from the back. All the packages that I'm going to be grabbing first from the back, I have them passing it to me. So from 2, 3, 4, 5, they're passing it to me. My kids is asleep. But I received a call back with rental resources. My only issue with the rental resources is public records. But I'm gonna still, you know, probably utilize that as well. I just need time. Like, these kids tired. They tired of being driving around. They tired of driving around all day. But I try to encourage them, you know. I use this to, like, motivate them to work together as a team, because family union is very important, and that's what us people, we lack so much, you know. So I try to, like, instill that in them, loving each other, loving and sharing and just being there for their siblings. I have until 10:30 to finish this block, and this block paid me $88.